Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to share with you a Christmas decor haul from both the Dollar Tree and Michael's. Last week I shared with you my first Christmas decor haul of this season. You told me you wanted to see some store-specific hauls, so last week I shared some of my favorite Christmas decor finds from both IKEA and HomeSense. Today I want to share some more of my favorite Christmas decor items from both the Dollar Tree and Michael's. So if you watched my video last week, you might remember that I have the privilege to not only decorate my own home for Christmas, but I'm also decorating a heritage home in my city, Edmonton, for an event called Homes for the Holidays in support of the Junior League of Edmonton. I will leave a link to that in the description box below. So you guys are terrible, but I love you. A lot of you love shopping at the Dollar Tree, and you might know that I haven't really loved shopping at dollar stores in the past. I did a little bit, but not a lot. But you have made me become a little bit addicted to the Dollar Tree. I never used to buy a lot of decor there, and now that I've been shopping more there lately because I know that you love it, I've been finding so many good things that I am going to be proud to display in both this heritage home as well as my own home. I also had this dream. You've made me think about Dollar Tree so much that I've been dreaming about it. And I had this dream that I wanted to decorate a Christmas tree with 100% Dollar Tree items and challenge myself to make it look expensive and make it look really good. So I'm gonna do that right away. So stay tuned to my channel for that. But I want you to tell me if you think I can do it. So I'm gonna leave a poll up here in the info card of this video. And I want you to let me know if yes, you think I can make a fully Dollar Tree decorated Christmas tree look expensive, or no, if you don't think that's possible. I would love to know. So let me show you all of the things that I found at the Dollar Tree this year. First of all, I grabbed one of their tubes of Christmas ornaments, the Christmas balls. They had some beautiful colors, all sorts of colors, but I loved this champagne gold one. And you'll see shortly when I share my Michael's haul that these match one of the Michael's Christmas balls tubes exactly. I also really liked these empty plastic Christmas balls and this kind of like mason jar looking ornament in the craft section at the Dollar Tree. So many DIY possibilities for these. So you could fill them up with glitter, or you could fill them up with a tinsel garland piece, or do some sort of little snow globe looking thing. These were only $1.25 each, so everything at the Dollar Tree in Canada is $1.25, but of course in the States everything there is $1. Also in the craft section I picked up these Christmas tree cones. I love these. I love doing all sorts of DIYs with these, so I'm going to do a DIY with this one soon. Great value, so I got a couple of these ones. I also loved their festive picks at the Dollar Tree this year. There were lots of different ones. I didn't love the poinsettias, but I did really like these more rustic pine cone picks. The pine cones are real. I loved the look of them. And then I also loved these glittery gold picks here just for the glam factor. And I think I'm gonna stick these in my Christmas tree just for some added texture. They had lots of great ornaments at Dollar Tree. I was pleasantly surprised, you guys. So this one here, I got a whole bunch of these. If you remember, if you watched my last video, I'm trying really hard to buy multiples of the same item to give my Christmas decor and the decor at this heritage home a nice cohesive feel. It's hard, but I am forcing myself to stay on track. So I bought, I think, 10 of these white glittery snowflakes. They're really pretty. Love the texture of these ones. They had them in all different colors too. These are some of my favorite ornaments that I found. So I love the size of these giant balls. I did have to dig through a few boxes to find these. Really big. They look like mercury glass. They had them in silver, bright gold, and rose gold. You might remember from last video, I am going to try to mix rose gold and brighter gold together. I really like the look, just to give my black, white, and gold scheme a little more interest. So it's not just black, white, and gold, but it has some shades of gold in it. I also loved these clips. So I bought a few packs of these clips. You get 3 for a pack for the $1.25. Loved the gold glitter. I thought they looked very Art Deco for my Art Deco home. They'd be great clipped to a gift, or even clipped to a napkin for a place setting for a Christmas table. Also bought a bunch of this sparkly fake snow. I think this would be great in those clear ornaments as well. You could sprinkle it around like a DIY Christmas village or something like that. I think that's a great deal at the Dollar Tree. I also grabbed some of these sparkly reindeer ornaments. I just loved that they're white and glittery, and they had a really rustic glam look to me. I also liked this Christmas tree topper. They had gold and silver as well, I think. great deal for the $1. And then I grabbed one of these snowflake ornaments in this more champagne gold, and I thought I would glue it onto here just for some more texture, perhaps to give it more of like a glam art deco look, just for a really simple DIY. Also from the craft section, I grabbed some more of this white eyelash ribbon because it looks like faux fur, and I have a ton of DIY ideas for Christmas with this. You might remember in my Dollar Tree DIY gifts video a little while ago, I used some of this to make some pom-poms for slippers, but you could also make pom-poms out of this for a whole bunch of other things as well, and you could use it for DIY wreath, which I might do soon. So just a great value for this. I also got some of this decorative mesh. I was debating between, they had like a gold color and then they had this white and silver. I decided to go for the white and silver because it's going to contrast with all my glittery gold stuff that I got for my decor this year, and I just love using this mesh for wreaths. I think I'm going to use it on my Christmas tree this year. I really loved these bows as well. They just have sort of like a twist tie back, and I loved the burlap and the glitter for that rustic glam look, and I think they'd be great on top of gifts or even in a tree. I also bought this ribbon here. It's just a glittery gold ribbon. Perhaps I'm going to use it for gifts or for some other DIY projects. So I liked those giant mercury glass balls, or the faux mercury glass, but I think this ornament is my favorite at Dollar Tree right now. So it's a real metal giant bell, so rustic and cute, and it has this really nice full looking pine on it with some real pine cones, and then this really cute burlap bow. Love this one for a rustic Christmas tree. And then finally, my last find from Dollar Tree were these absolutely gorgeous votive holders. So I was so surprised by these. They're heavy, they're real glass, they have the mercury glass look. So I bought, I think 5 or 6 of these rose gold ones, but they also had them in like a bright gold. I think they had silver as well. They're in the candle section, not in the Christmas section, but just think of using these on a Christmas table or on a mantle. They're so beautiful and glamorous, and what a great buy. I've seen similar things like this at Pottery Barn for like 10 times the price. You could also put a DIY candle inside here and give it as a gift. I'll leave my DIY candle tutorial in the description box below. So those are my favorite things from Dollar Tree this year. Again, I was pleasantly surprised. Thanks to all of you that like all my Dollar Tree DIYs and finds, and thank you for getting me addicted to it. It's going to be fun to try that Christmas tree out and see if it's going to look good or not. So stay tuned for the Christmas tree video with all of the Dollar Tree finds. So now on to the things that I liked at Michael's. I didn't get a ton there. Whenever I buy things from Michael's, I always get them either on sale or with a coupon. So the first thing I got from Michael's was this giant tube of Christmas ornaments. These are pretty much exactly the same color as the smaller ornaments I found at the Dollar Tree. So bright gold, rose gold. $45 Canadian for this tube, but I used a 55% off coupon and I bought 2 of these over the course of 3 weeks or so. I also got these little glamorous picks from Michael's. I think they were buy one get one free. I thought they were very art deco looking, like feathers. Of course, I loved the gilded gold look of these as well. And speaking of gilded gold, I bought some of these larger floral picks as well. Love the gold, love the glitter. They would look great on gifts. They would look great in a beautiful Christmas garland for a super glam look. These were also buy one get one free as well. So wait for those sales when Michael's has them when you're buying the floral picks. Another thing I found at Michael's was this very oversized pearl garland. So this is going to be part of that art deco home that I'm doing. I think pearls are very art deco. I think this would look really nice layered in a real green or a faux green garland on a mantle or on a porch. Perhaps I might string them on the Christmas tree. I'm not too sure yet, so stay tuned for that. And then finally, the last thing I got at Michael's were these oversized black and white striped bows. So I'm going for that black and white and gold theme, and I thought these would make fantastic oversized gift toppers, super glamorous looking, and I found these in the Halloween section. So now is a great time if you are incorporating black into your Christmas decor like I am for that glam look. Look in the Halloween section. You might be surprised at what you can find. I think these were 80% off, so I grabbed 5 of them. So you might find some really great deals. Not in the Christmas section, but somewhere else, like the Halloween section or the fall section, or somewhere else if you want to snag a really good deal. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed this haul from the Dollar Tree and Michael's. Let me know in the comments below which of these items was your absolute favorite, or if it's a tie between a couple items, I would like to know that as well. Also, again, let me know if you think I can produce a fully Dollar Tree decorated Christmas tree. I'm gonna do this one in my studio. and if it's going to look expensive or not. I would love to hear. Make sure to vote up in the poll in the info card, and stay tuned to my channel to see what I do with all of this decor as we move throughout the Christmas season. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor ideas, and I'll see you all again in the next video. Bye!